Upon arrival, remove the case and all the packing material, and begin inspection for any shipping damage. Remove all end and side panels before moving the tub into the home. Begin a detailed inspection looking for damage and follow all instructions. Pay attention to all warning labels. Whenever possible, fill the tub outside to check for any leaks. Run all pumps and continue the inspection for leakage. We strongly suggest this external check to prevent any issues after installation. After draining and drying the tub, it's ready to move inside. Here's a location that's replacing the existing tub with a Freedom walk-in tub. All installations are different, but many times, floor modifications may be needed to accommodate the oversized 2-inch drains. Your home's drain configuration is probably different than this one. Here, the installer has chosen to cap off one side of the T-type dual drains and is using a single configuration to connect to the house main drain. Here's how the final connection looks. 5-foot water supply lines are included when you order a Freedom Fast Fill faucet set. Here, the installer has modified the house water supply lines and has placed shut-off valves where they can be easily reached. Here we see a licensed electrician making the correct addition to the house breaker panel. Proper breakers with the appropriate amperage must be utilized. And GFCI outlets must also be used when connecting the tub. Proper leveling of the tub is also vitally important. If the tub is not level, the doors will not close properly and could possibly leak. Freedom walk-in tubs have adjustable leveling legs to facilitate proper tub leveling. After all connections are secure, fill the tub and run all the pumps. Check thoroughly for any leaks. Replace all end and side panels as necessary. Secure with screws as needed. Your house configuration is probably different, but apply silicone caulk as needed. Your Freedom tub, when installed properly, will deliver many, many years of reliable service.